Morning everyone. So we discuss the topic alkanes. Alkanes, its general formula is CnH2n plus 2 and they are generally known as paraffins. They are the saturated hydrocarbons. That means they only contains carbon to carbon single bond in them. Okay, only the carbon to carbon single bond is always present in them. And in our syllabus we have two particles or two molecules of this formula CnH2n plus 2. One is methane, second is ethane. Methane is CH4 and ethane part is C2H6. Here the n value is equals to 1, here the n value is equals to 2. You can put these values in this formula and you get a series as you already performed in the IUPAC nomenclature part. Right, then in the this methane we know this thing that this methane is known as a marsh gas because it is always present at the marshy places where the fermentation of the cellulose occur by a special type of bacteria to produce this methane gas, that is CH4. That CH4 is produced over there by this process. You see, these are some marshy places given there. That from there we can produce this CH4. Now it is also present in the air exhaled by the animals whose food contains cellulose. जिनके फूड में थोड़ा सा अमाउंट में आपके पास में सेलुलोज होता है, ये वहां पे भी आपके पास में प्रेजेंट रहते हैं. They can be present also on there. Now the cavities in the coal contains 90% of the methane and it is also called as fire damp. इसे हम लोग क्या बोलते हैं? Fire dampy. Next we talk about the ethane part. Ethane is almost present in the 10 to 20% along with the methane part only. Ethane सिर्फ और सिर्फ हमारे पास में methane के पास में in the form of 10 to 20% वहाँ present रहता है. Okay, that is the case present with this case. Right, now we talk about the methane as in a greenhouse gas. Methane is acting as our greenhouse gas. And what is this greenhouse effect and the greenhouse gases? We know this thing that sun rays are coming on the earth and earth surface, by reflecting from the earth surface, sun rays are going back towards the sun. But due to the presence of these atmosphere of CO2 and these our gases of NO2, इन गैसेस के एटमोस्फेयर की वजह से दैट CO2 and CH4, the sun they prepare a atmosphere for the trapping the sun rays around this earth, and the sun rays are coming back on the earth and just increase the temperature of the earth. Okay, that's the effect of this CO2, this CH4 and N2 over there. So this CH4 will act as an important greenhouse gas which is increasing our earth's temperature by trapping the sun rays back towards the earth. That this CH4 methane persists in our environment for long last 10 years. It has that power to stay in our environment for the 10 years. And it is 20 times more effective or more harmful in trapping the heat as their comparison to the CO2. Although the amount of CO2 present is in a very high amount, but still the capability of the CH4 to trap the heat is more, as that methane is only present in the 10% of the all greenhouse gases present. Okay. Next is the complete combustion, that is the chemical properties of our substance. That first, the complete combustion, that the burning with the non-sooty flame. They always burn with a non-sooty flame without any flame. Okay, like CH4 we have, it burns within the presence of oxygen to give you CO2 and water molecule. Complete the water molecule is there. Then we have methane particle. It combined with CO2 and formation of 4 CO2 plus water is there. If complete combustion will occur, then formation of CO2 is there. CO2 formation will occur. But when the insufficient supply of air is present, then there is a production of CO, carbon monoxide and water molecule, either in the case of methane or either in the case of ethane particles. Okay, remember this thing, whenever you are writing the reaction, please write a balanced reaction. Your balanced reaction must required, otherwise 0 mark provided to that. Okay, right. With very less amount of oxygen, then there is a formation of soot, SOO2, soot, that is the carbon only, which is further used in the dyes or in the making of tires or in painting of the tires also. The black color soot is formed there. Now next we have another important chemical property which is called as substitution reactions. Substitution reactions simply means that we are substituting our places. That means On my position you are sitting, and in your position I am going to sit. So that's the substitution process or the substitution case there. Reactions with the halogen atoms. That halogen atoms means that either it is your chlorine, it is your bromine, or it is your iodine. So this reaction with the halogen atoms, alkanes react with halogen atoms only in the presence of sunlight or UV light. That is, the product formed is called as alkyl halides. Sunlight is shown by the symbol H nu, and UV light means that ultraviolet light is present. Clear this is? Now, next point, methane, whenever it is going to react with your Cl2 chlorine in the presence of sunlight, or you provide a temperature of 600 Kelvin, then there is a formation of CH3Cl and HCl is removed out. As it is a reaction of substitution, it means that at the position of hydrogen 1 chlorine will be placed, and at the position of chlorine 1 hydrogen will be placed. So hydrogen combined with the chlorine, and this chlorine combined with the CH3 part. You can again add chlorine, there is a formation of same HCl removed out, then again HCl removed out, then again chlorine, HCl removed out. This reaction continues till the end, until all the hydrogen atoms get substituted by this chlorine atom. So here is the final substituted product you received, that this is the substituted product we received in that part. Okay, that is the product formed here, and HCl is removed out from the system. Now in the case of ethane also the same reaction is participating, like C2H6 chlorine, C2H5 chlorine, HCl removed out, removed out, removed out, and removed out. Finally, until the all hydrogens removed out, this reaction persists and continues. That is all about the alkane part in this example. No any preparation for this alkane part, no any other reactions of the alkane part, no any its uses part is there. That is not in the syllabus now. They all get reduced from your part. Okay. Next we discuss about the alkenes and alkynes also, and rest all carboxylic acids, alcohols, and rest all the things are not included in your syllabus now. So only alkynes is there. Next topic is alkynes is there, and next we have alkenes are there, but not their preparations. Only 2 or 3 reactions are there for them that we need to discuss only. Okay, that we are discussing now. Now see, in the alkenes we have the general formula for alkene, that is CnH2n. They are called as olefins. It means that oil forming substances. That's the reason they are called as olefins. And they are called as unsaturated hydrocarbons. Why they are called as unsaturated hydrocarbons? Because they contain a double bond in them. Okay, that is called as unsaturated hydrocarbons. General formula CnH2n. First member is C2H4, that is your ethene. Its common name is ethylene, and it's used as in a plant hormone which helps in the ripening of fruits. And if we talk about its structure, that what is the structure of ethene present, it is C2H4 carbon, double bond carbon, and just complete the tetravalency of every carbon atom present. See, the tetravalency of every carbon is complete now. Carbon with 2 bonds, and this 3 and this 4. This 2, 3 and 4 also there. Okay, that is the presence of ethene. Now next, in the ethene we only have 2 chemical reactions of it. The first chemical reaction is with the addition of hydrogen atom. The first is addition of hydrogen atom. Okay, addition of hydrogen H2. Hydrogen can be added to this ethene by 2 ways, or in the 2 conditions. The first condition is with the platinum or palladium as in a catalyst at the ordinary temperature. Ordinary temperature means to you that at a common normal temperature, if you take the normal temperature and palladium, okay, then there is a formation. Second, maybe you are taking nickel as a catalyst at a temperature of 200 degrees Celsius. So these 2 are the conditions there where this addition of H2 on ethene can be occur. And whenever an addition of H2 molecule at a double bond will occur, then this double bond is converted into a single bond, and that hydrogen is added on each and every carbon atom around this double bond. Again I am repeating this thing. Whenever this H2 group is adding on the double bond, then addition reaction takes place. This is the addition now, so that is called as addition reaction takes place, so that this hydrogen is attaching on every carbon atom present present there, and this double bond is converted into single bond. Now this hydrogen and this hydrogen, they get prepared by this method. See, in this part, from ethene, by adding H2 molecule at a conditions of nickel as a catalyst and 200 degrees Celsius temperature, ethane is formed. That double bond is converted into single bond, and that H2 molecules are added on each carbon atom which is surrounding the double bond. ठीक है, एंड यू कैन ऑल्सो राइट दिस रिएक्शन बाय दिस वे. आप इसको इस तरीके से भी लिख सकते हैं दैट जस्ट चेंजिंग दी, जो आपके पास में कंडीशन प्रेजेंट है, जस्ट चेंज दैट कंडीशन ओनली. दैट वी हैव CH2 double bond CH2 there, add H2 molecules to it, then by the use of platinum or maybe the platinum, okay, at a normal temperature, just it is converted into CH3 and CH3 part, then it formed as an ethane, and here the presence of ethene is there. Okay, यहाँ ethene थी, उससे किस में convert हो गया, ethane में convert हो गया. That is all about this alkene part or the ethene part. The second most important reaction we have, addition of halogens. Addition of halogens, ठीक है, that is the most very important part there. That is your Cl2, that is your Br2, or maybe your I2 is there. ठीक है, that is the addition of halogen particles there. Next we have the reactions with the halogens. The first is with chlorine. It will again same thing is there. Double bond is converted into the single bond, and that now the chlorine atom is just adding on the every carbon atom around the double bond. See, the chlorine is there, same bromine is there, same iodine molecules are there. But here the thing is that the reaction of this iodine is in a very slow reaction, and the molecule formed is not a stable molecule. It will convert back into this iodine and CH2 molecule, that ethene part again. So that's not an a stable reaction. So we say that this is not an a stable reaction. And the thing comes in your mind that what about F2? Because if we are talking about the halogen, then this fluorine is also a halogen. Then why we are not taking its reaction? Because its reactions are highly explosive in nature. So we are not taking its reactions. ठीक है, they are highly explosive in nature. Highly explosive reactions होती हैं, उनको नहीं लेते. Okay, now the next part in your syllabus is you have the alkyne molecule. That alkyne molecule is contains that CnH2n minus 2 as in a formula. Okay, now it's second, if we take the n is equals to 2, it means we are taking the compound as such in that, like C2H4, that is fruit 4 minus 2, then it's equals to C2H2 there. It is containing the triple bond in them, carbon, triple bond carbon, one hydrogen is there, then one hydrogen is there. This is called as your ethyne molecule. That is the ethyne molecule present, right? This is the ethyne molecule is there. Now same in the ethyne molecule also we have the addition reactions. Nothing else is there apart from these addition reactions. The first addition reaction is that addition of the hydrogen atom. Then second addition reaction is the addition of your halogen specifically. Now addition of halogen, this ethyne. So remember one thing in that, if double bond is there, okay, in the case of addition reactions, that double bond is converted into a single bond. ठीक है, then carbon carbon single bond. If triple bond is there, then the triple bond is converted into the double bond. Remember this thing always. In the case of addition reactions, that's in a universal condition. If a double bond is there, it can get converted into single. If triple is there, it get converted into the double bond. The conditions are the same. Either it is the presence of nickel, platinum or platinum. Okay. Then what happened to this thing? Suppose we are doing the hydrogen addition here. Then what happens? C2H2 is there. You are adding H to this part, either in the presence of nickel, platinum or platinum. तीनों में से कोई भी एक catalyst आप use कीजिएगा. Then there is a formation of C2H4, that is ethene molecule. From ethyne, we are making a ethene molecule there, that the ethene molecules is formed, right? Either this reaction can be this way, carbon, triple bond carbon, one hydrogen is there, one is there. You can use H2 in the presence of, suppose we are taking the nickel case, that nickel is present there. So by the presence of this nickel, it is the thing formed, that is your ethene. Ethene is formed from this ethyne part, that from ethyne, ethene will be formed here, right? This is the case. Now next, a very important case is present, which is called as addition of the halogens. That you are doing the addition part of the halogens. कि आपके पास में जो addition है of halogens will occur. That addition of halogens will occur here. हेलोजेंस के केस में अगेन वही केस आएगा दैट Br2 वी कैन टेक, I2 वी कैन टेक एंड Cl2 स्पेसिफिकली वी कैन टेक. So same very simple case it is. Now in the case of chlorine, what happened to this? We have CH triple bond and CH part. ठीक है, just add chlorine molecule to the, firstly that chlorine part is converted into your double bond. The first thing it is converting into the double bond, then you are again adding the Cl2 molecule to it. Now it is converting into a single bond part by adding just these two chlorine molecules. ठीक है, मैं इस रिएक्शन को दोबारा लेकर के चल रही हूँ, आप इसको दोबारा देखिए एक बार. What I am doing here, see this thing, CH triple bond, CH is there, add Cl2 molecule to it. It will form CH double bond CH, one chlorine is added here, one is added here. Again add Cl2 molecule to it. Then what happened? CH, one chlorine to this side, one to this side, single bond, CH, one chlorine to this side and one chlorine to this side. Now this is the bond, this is the main substance form. ठीक है. Now ethyne is an inert solvent. So we always required that carbon tetrachloride or any other solvent for that. ठीक है, तो ये आपके पास में जो bonds है वो इसके लिए formed हो जाएंगे. The same reaction is in the case of bromine molecule also, that the bromine is also showing the same reaction, and the reaction between this molecule, that is our, that its common name is acetylene also. It is also called as acetylene also. Acetylene and chlorine reaction, simply without, in the presence of sunlight, it will give you carbon and HCl. That reaction we are taking in the presence of CCl4, that is the carbon tetrachloride. CCl4 carbon tetrachloride will act as a solvent here, that we are taking in the presence of a solvent. But if we talk about the reaction, that reaction which is present in the presence of sunlight, that C2H2 in the presence of chlorine, and we provide it as a sunlight, then 2 carbon plus HCl's are formed. That HCl is formed here. Okay, here you take the sunlight over there. That's not a good reaction for that. Okay, same you take the example of C2H2 plus we will add in the bromine molecule. Then we are taking the bromine molecule in the form of CBr4. Then it will form C2H2. Then we have Br2 molecule. Then again add one of Br2 molecule. Then it will form C2H2 and that Br4 part. Here the reaction is addition reaction. Do not compare this reaction with the reaction of your alkanes. Alkane के साथ compare मत कीजिएगा. And again the reactions of iodine, जो भी आपके पास में reactions होती हैं of iodines are very slow reactions. वो रिएक्शंस बहुत ही क्या होती हैं आपके पास में, स्लो रिएक्शंस होती हैं. ठीक है, तो दैट इज दैट आयोडीन रिएक्शंस आर स्लो एंड दे कैन बी रिवर्स बैक, और बिकॉज ऑफ द स्लो रिएक्शंस द रिएक्शंस इज परफॉर्म्ड इन द प्रेजेंस ऑफ अ अल्कोहल मॉलिक्यूल. CH triple bond CH plus I2 in the presence of a alcohol which will act as a solvent here. It will form you CHI double bond CHI is there. That's the part. Slow reaction it is, so we are not taking this reaction that much seriously. Only the chlorine and bromine reactions you need to perform by yourself. Okay, clear? Now in the organic chemistry only this portion is there, rest all the parts of the organic chemistry are reduced from your syllabus. So till then take care, revise the chapter from your book and please stick to your syllabus. Now this is the complete session. Now complete organic is there. Okay, complete is your syllabus now. Okay, so please take care. Thank you.